Welcome to another behind the scenes shoot that I'm having. Today I'm shooting with our famous Yaa China. Yeah. She's our China. Very simple and very quick. Our light setup is what I'm going to show you, and then I'll show you some examples of the pictures that we take. We have 3 light setup today. We are working with a white background. So in the corner we have our AD360 that's light in the background. It's bare and it's going directly onto the background. Because it's white and because it's bare, it's a bit coned, but it's blasting all over. And then we have to the right, my right, your left, we have the AD600. That one is in a strip box. Is it gridded? No, it's not gridded. There's no grid on it. And then to the left side, we have the Ving 850II. That one is light on both sides. They're all equal powered, so you don't see like one as a key light. So to me, they are both key lights as one. So it's one big soft light. That's basically our setup that we're doing. On our camera, what we have is we're shooting at a shutter speed of 200 because I don't want any ambient light coming into the picture. Secondly, I'm at f7.1. That's because, what's she doing behind me? Okay, at 7.1, I get a very sharp picture. And also based on the power that I'm using, I'm at 1/8 on all the flashes, except the light at the back. That one, I need more power out of it, so that's 1/4. So the ratio, if you're going to probably be, say, 1:1:2. That'll probably be the ratio, 1:1:2. I think so. All right, so the ISO is 125. That's what we're working with. And we'll take some pictures, just enjoy the shoot, and then I'll show you how it looks like. See you.